In this video, we'll look at how Liquid Studio can help find errors and issues in complex XML schema which may include and import other XML schema. To demonstrate this, we'll use the FPML standard. As you can see, FPML main imports and includes other schema. We can use the global component locator to see these schema. However, a limitation of the global component locator is that it will only display a flat structure of the schema hierarchy. If we click the Show Schema Dependencies button, Liquid Studio creates us a schema set which provides a graphical representation of the schema dependencies. As we can see, the schema set includes our FPML main XST. If we click the Add All Implicitly Referenced Schemas button, then all the additional XSTs are added to our schema set. We can double-click any of the schemas to open them in Liquid Studio. We can also double-click the items in the Dependency Graph. Using the toolbar, we can zoom in to specific areas within the Dependency Graph. We can also use the Page Setup, Print and Print Preview to print the Dependency Graph. If I click Print Preview, you can see we have options to scale the image as required. One of the main issues that we see when working with multiple XML schema is that often the imported or included schemas are imported from multiple locations. These kind of errors can be very hard to track down. If we look at the dependency graph, we can see FPML IRD XST depends on FPML shared XST, as do many of the other XSTs. If we open up FPML IRD, we can change the schema location of the included FPML shared XST. If we go back to the schema set, we can see that the IRD schema is pulling in a different version of the shared schema. This is also highlighted on the Duplicate Schemas tab, making it very easy to track down these sorts of issues. More granular views can also be seen in the Duplicate Entities and the Schema Set Validation tabs. For more information, please see our website. Thank you for watching.